What's up guys, Miguel aka Torrent coming back to you with another video. Today we're going to be reviewing an inkless printer. Rongta reached out to me wanting to know if I'd be willing to review this printer. I said, looks interesting. I've never had an inkless printer before, so I said absolutely, let's take a look to see what actually this is. They sent me over this, full disclosure, they sent me this over free of charge. However, they don't have any say in this video before I upload it to YouTube. All the opinions you're about to hear are my own. So let's get into an unboxing and see what is up with this. So it caught my eye because truthfully, probably about a week ago, I had to replace my printer ink cartridges downstairs in the basement. That's where I keep my printer. So when they reached out to me, and they were just like, hey, this is an inkless printer, I was like, huh. All right, so far pretty standard stuff. Okay, instruction. Maybe something fell out of the package. Instructions. Traveling case that I do not like the feeling of it. And what is this? Oh, this is paper. All right, we'll get into that for a second. Let's take a look. So it looks like there was a USB-C or USB-A thumb drive in there. That was part of that little package, and it has a cord. So let's take this off. All right, so let's put a lot of this to the side. So right off the bat, I hate this case. I don't like the way this case feels, but other than that, I love the way this feels, which I guess it's a lot more important than the case. This feels premium. Again, solid. It doesn't feel cheap at all. Just to give you an idea, this on Amazon's coming in at $70, and it's got a lot of cool features. It's got the flannel bag, USB-A to USB-C connection. This takes USB-C. This is actually a complimentary thumb drive. It's a flash disk. So let's get into a couple of things about this, right? The biggest thing, it's inkless, right? It doesn't carry any ink. So how does it print? Well, it prints by thermal paper. It's the magic of thermal paper. Let's open this up. Thermal paper does not feel like regular paper. It feels like receipt paper, actually. Thermal paper, I looked it up kind of on Amazon. Thermal paper is more expensive than regular paper. Like a pack of 200 thermal paper comes in at about $18. And then a Amazon Basics 8.5 by 11 inch paper, 500 sheets come in at about $6. So it connects via Wi-Fi, it connects via Bluetooth. Cool things about this, it does have battery in it, so you recharge it and then you set it up and you just print. Let's take a look on how to set this up, and we're going to try printing something from it. Yeah, not too bad. All right. I mean, it was pretty quick. I only print return labels. I don't really print anything else. Kind of nifty. So the app, so the whole printing process is a little crazy, right? So you're supposed to download the So Print app, then it pairs with this device, and then if you need to print, you actually have to send the print job to the app, and in the app you have to print from the app. So it's a little like too many steps. I mean, it should just see it as a regular printer. It shouldn't have to do all these steps this way. So I'm enjoying the fact that it prints fast. I'm enjoying how compact it is, right? I mean, check that out. Check out the quality on that. You know, that's pretty impressive. Yeah, that's pretty impressive quality. Printing nowadays is a little scarce, but there are some things and documents that you need to print from time to time. So I'm gonna say that this is pretty good. If you need to print anything, I think it's a solid device. It's relatively fast. For printing, it's rechargeable, which is amazing. And then again, the printer paper is a little bit of a premium. However, Rongta, I would get rid of this bag. This bag feels horrible on my fingers. I'm not sure what it's made out of, but I'm not a fan of the bag. And that's the only complaint I have, is really the bag. Everything else is definitely a thumbs up, definitely good, definitely enjoying this product. We'll enjoy this product. Anyway, guys, this is another video. Like and subscribe if you like this, if it was informative, if you got something out of it. So I hope you guys have a great week. All right, bye now.